Hello. Since during the first part of this workshop, I chose the white hat, I guess I'm going to be telling you about my story through facts. So my story begins on the 13th of March of 2020. Me and my friends were going to school, and as we were walking up the stairs, a teacher was coming down and she told us that school was cancelled for the day. So, up to that point, I feel like we knew a little bit about the virus because we were all on social media and it was very talked about. In my country, COVID was like just becoming a thing, it wasn't like really serious until that moment. That day, since school was cancelled, me and my friends decided, to just go out. And I remember around lunchtime, it was announced that we wouldn't be returning to school for like another couple of weeks. And so our online education began. And in the beginning, it was very chaotic. Every teacher was using a different program, a different way of communicating with us, and so it was a bit confusing, especially since I was in 8th grade. Those couple of weeks turned into months of just online education. And during the first couple of months, we were also under quarantine, so we couldn't get out, we couldn't see each other. It was all happening online. After the months of quarantine ended, we started to go out again a little bit, but it wasn't the same as before. There were a lot of restrictions. After a summer filled with, a lot of rules and such, we returned to school again. This time it was a little bit more organized. We were prepared if we were under lockdown again. And it happened again. So when it happened again, it happened, I'm pretty sure, for even longer than the first time. And so since then, when we actually returned to school, I feel like we've all kind of lost our ability to study a little bit and to study seriously. And I think that's a problem we're still battling today. But I'm truly hoping that we can remove that problem soon.